Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Fifth Third Bank. In order to sign up into your online banking account, first of all, make sure that you already have an account on Fifth Third. Only then you'll be able to sign up into your online banking account. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.53.com. You can also find the link on the description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on login. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, and over here you have the login interface. So in order to log in, first of all, you'll have to sign up into your account, or you must have an online banking account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. In order to create an online banking account, or in order to sign up into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on register, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you have a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on no in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, on the other page, once again there's a confirmation. So in order to sign up into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on yes. On the other page, you will be directed into enrollment page, and over here you'll have to provide your account information. So you can see right in center there's a pop-up, and over here you'll have to provide all your account information. So first of all, you'll have to select your account type. So under it you can see there are 3 different options, so select it accordingly. And after that, you'll have to enter your account number, so make sure to enter the correct one. And once you're done entering your account number, next tap on social security number. Once you're done providing your information, next tap on I have all my loan document with me. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on account verification, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll have to enter more account details. If the provided information is correct, on the last interface you'll get to create new login information. Once you're done creating a new login information, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Fifth Third Bank. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.